How to change location permissions for the Compass app on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. At the top of the screen, select Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Now, scroll down through the list of apps and tap Compass. Here, you'll see several location access options, including Never, Ask Next Time or When I Share, While Using the app, and on some iOS versions, Always. Choose the option that best fits your preferences. If you want the Compass app to work normally, it's recommended to select While Using the app. You can also turn Precise Location on or off from this screen. When Precise Location is enabled, the Compass app can use your exact location to provide more accurate directions and coordinates. If you disable location access, some Compass features such as coordinates and elevation data may not work correctly. Once you've selected your preferred settings, your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed the location permissions for the Compass app on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.